Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. If you caught the last video, we put Corsa Stream Catback on the 17 GT. I've had it on for a couple of days now and I absolutely love it. The quality of it's great, the fitment is great. You've got nice 4-inch hips. We're gonna get some takeoff video, light takeoff video, let you hear it. I've got some in-car footage, about 2,000 RPM. The vehicle has no drone whatsoever, which is really nice for a vehicle that has loud exhaust. Normally you get drone on the inside of the car. It's just a trade-off for the loud exhaust. With this exhaust, when you're on it, it's loud, but when you're cruising, there's no drone, so it's an excellent, in my opinion, an excellent exhaust. Alright, now we're going to get a little bit of in-car footage of driving around. I got the windows down. About 2,000 RPM, and as you can tell, there's no drone inside the car. It's nice and quiet inside the car. I can have a conversation, no big deal. When you get on it, it's nasty loud. I love it. So we're gonna get on it here just a second, let you hear it. Hopefully the video quality on that was good. It was inside the car. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna dance. All right, you can stop it. Alright guys, as I was filming, storms rolled in. Here lately, here in Tennessee, they've been rolling in out of the blue. It's just common this time of the year. I wanted a little more footage, but sometimes Mother Nature doesn't cooperate. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for future content, and we'll see you later.